Ready to unlock the secret to high-paying YouTube niches? Discover the top 10 high CPM automation niches for 2024 that can skyrocket your income. In the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube, finding the right niche is crucial for content creators looking to maximize their earnings. With ad revenue driven by Cost Per Mille (CPM), the amount advertisers pay for every 1,000 views, selecting a niche that attracts high-paying advertisers can dramatically boost your income. In this video, we'll explore 10 high CPM YouTube automation niches for 2024, each offering lucrative opportunities for creators and entrepreneurs alike. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to pivot your existing channel, these niches are packed with potential. So let's dive in. But before we dive into the specific niches, it's essential to understand why CPM varies across different categories. CPM is influenced by several factors, including audience demographics, advertiser competition, seasonality, and content type. Niches that attract high-income viewers or are aligned with lucrative industries typically have higher CPM rates. This means that by choosing the right niche, you can earn significantly more for the same number of views. Number 10. Finance and Investment. The finance niche consistently ranks as one of the highest CPM categories, with topics ranging from personal finance tips to investment strategies and cryptocurrency analysis. This niche attracts a wealthier demographic eager to improve their financial literacy. To effectively automate content in this niche, you can leverage data-driven formats, such as animated explainer videos that break down complex investment strategies, or create voiceover presentations that analyze the latest market trends. Utilizing tools like Canva and Lumen 5 can streamline your video creation processes while ensuring high quality. By focusing on clear, informative content, you can engage viewers and establish your channel as a trusted source in the finance world. Number 9. Health and Wellness. The health and wellness niche encompasses a wide array of topics, including fitness, nutrition, mental health, and alternative medicine. This area attracts advertisers from various sectors, including health products, gym memberships, and wellness services, making it a highly lucrative space for content creators. To automate your content effectively, you can utilize automated scripts and stock footage to create informative health videos, such as Top 10 Superfoods for a Healthier Life. Additionally, employing voiceover tools can assist in narrating scripts, allowing you to produce content quickly and efficiently. This approach not only saves time, but also helps maintain high-quality production while reaching an engaged audience eager for health-related insights. Number 8. Tech Reviews and Tutorials. As technology evolves rapidly, tech channels remain in high demand, drawing a tech-savvy audience that is often willing to spend. Reviewing the latest gadgets or providing tutorials on software and applications can create significant engagement. To automate your content effectively, consider using affiliate links in your video descriptions to monetize your reviews. You can create listicles or how-to videos using screen recording software, combined with voiceover narration for a polished and a professional finish. This approach allows you to deliver valuable information while maximizing your earning potential through affiliate partnerships. Number 7. Real estate and property investment. The real estate niche encompasses property investment tips, market analysis, and home tours, making it a lucrative area for content creators. With high-value transactions, the CPM can be substantial, especially when targeting affluent audiences. To automate your content effectively, you can create virtual tours of properties using drone footage and voiceover commentary. Additionally, leveraging tools like OBS Studio allows you to seamlessly combine live footage and presentations, enhancing the viewing experience and providing valuable insights for potential buyers and investors. Number 6. Self-improvement and motivation. This niche covers personal development topics, ranging from productivity hacks to motivational speeches, attracting audiences eager to invest in themselves. This interest makes it appealing to high-value advertisers. To automate your content effectively, you can compile motivational quotes, success stories, or personal development tips using automated slideshow tools. Utilizing voiceover software to narrate these presentations adds an engaging touch, while simplifying the production process, allowing you to create impactful content with ease. Number 5. Online education and e-learning. With the rise of online learning, e-learning niches are experiencing significant growth. Topics can range from language learning to coding tutorials, appealing to a wide audience eager to upskill. To effectively automate your educational content, you can use screen capture tools and slide presentations to create engaging videos. Additionally, online platforms like Teachable can be utilized to promote courses, providing an excellent opportunity to drive additional revenue streams while delivering valuable knowledge to learners. Number 4. Luxury lifestyle and travel. Channels focused on luxury travel, high-end fashion, and upscale living attract viewers with disposable income, positioning this niche as a high CPM opportunity. By using stock footage of luxurious destinations, you can create captivating videos that combine engaging narratives about travel tips or lifestyle choices. Automated video creation tools streamline the production process, allowing you to maintain high quality while efficiently producing content. This approach not only enhances viewer engagement but also appeals to advertisers looking to reach affluent audiences, maximizing your earning potential in this lucrative niche. With careful curation and consistent posting, you can build a loyal following eager for inspiration and luxury insights. Number 3. Automotive reviews and innovations. The automotive niche encompasses a wide range of topics, from car reviews to the latest innovations in the industry, attracting a dedicated audience passionate about vehicles. This focus results in high CPM opportunities, as advertisers are eager to reach this engaged demographic. To effectively automate content production, you can create car comparison videos or reviews by utilizing footage from manufacturers, which eliminates the need for on-location shoots. Pair this visual content with insightful voiceover commentary to enhance viewer understanding and engagement. By consistently delivering informative and entertaining videos, you can build a loyal following while maximizing your revenue potential in this lucrative niche. This strategy allows you to maintain quality while streamlining your production process. Number 2. Gaming and esports. The gaming industry continues to thrive, offering substantial high CPM opportunities through content like game reviews, walkthroughs, and esports commentary. Advertisers are keen to reach this demographic, which often consists of younger audiences with considerable spending power. To effectively automate your content production, you can leverage gameplay footage and voiceover commentary to create engaging videos that resonate with the viewers. Utilizing automated editing software streamlines the process of producing highlight reels or tutorials, allowing for quick turnaround times without sacrificing quality. Number 1. Fashion and beauty. This niche encompasses makeup tutorials, fashion hauls, and skincare routines, making it highly attractive to viewers interested in beauty trends. With numerous beauty brands eager to reach potential customers, the CPM in this space can be quite high. To effectively automate content creation, you can develop lookbooks or product reviews using stock images and automated slideshows. Incorporating voiceovers to guide viewers through the content ensures that it remains engaging, while minimizing the need for significant on-camera time. This strategy allows you to produce high-quality videos efficiently, appealing to both viewers and advertisers in the competitive beauty market, ultimately enhancing your earning potential. Selecting a high CPM niche on YouTube can significantly impact your earning potential. By focusing on niches like finance, health, tech, real estate, and more, you can tap into lucrative advertising markets while creating content that resonates with the audiences. Utilizing automation tools and techniques will streamline your production process, allowing you to focus more on strategy and growth. If you found this information valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on how to succeed in the world of YouTube automation. What niche are you considering for your channel? Let us know in the comments below.